This request goes out to a commenter named Nordy 3 months ago. And now his option has now been received. Tonight we're going to draw Dende from Dragon Ball Super. Dende basically is a Namekian from... Basically, he was next in line to be the next Namekian Earth Guardian. I'm actually kind of proud to see this guy all grown up and ready to be the next Namekian Guardian, just like Kami. Remind me why I'm doing this? Oh yeah. I'm doing it for the entertainment of my fans, which everyone will enjoy. I've been waiting 10 years for this moment. Nordy, your request has been received.
Arby's sold out of the most incredible drive-thru burger ever. But now through June, get 50% off one of these incredible sandwiches when you sign up for an account at Arby's.com. Incredible! Arby's, we have the meats.
I'm Mark, and I live
now we draw the this thing. Here's Kami's wrist.
I wasn't as sharp as I used to be. My wife introduced me to Predator, so I said, yeah, I'll try that. I noticed that I felt sharper. I felt like I was able to respond to things quicker. And I thought, yeah, it works.
Here's his belt.
Healthier brain, better life.
Now we draw this part. Here's it.
Right now, we have camp chairs, buy one, get one 50% off. Grills that are normally $259, now just $179. And coolers for 50% off. Have fun at the campground with bikes for only $99. And Coleman Power Sports that are normally $799, now just $499.
Here we go. There's his hand.
Camping has never been more affordable. You always camp for less at Camping World.
And finished. That's how you draw Dende. That's finished for now. That's how you draw him. Alright, we finally drew the next Namekian Guardian. I'm proud to see you guys enjoy this from the lookout. This one goes out to all Namekians and to all those who watch Dragon Ball Super. I'm really proud to see the next movie and the next series. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.